Hey YouTube, it's Rav here again. Just done the finger chili challenge in the previous video, and I got myself some spicy chili punnet to try what to see what the Scotch bonnet, see what the fuss is about. Shaking like a leaf. And here's it here.
Daddy, drink your milk.
What's that was that? Here comes the hiccup.
Drink your milk, Daddy. Is it hot?
God, he ain't got water. Where's the tea?
Daddy, drink your milk.
Boy, that's hot.
Daddy, got milk there.
Jesus. Oh, I gotta breathe.
Do you need anything else, Daddy?
I know this itch. I have an arrow.
Eat all the chili.
Jesus, get me that one.
Need more milk?
Thanks YouTube for watching. Bye.